Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to insert a SIM card into this Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. Before we start, you'll need a SIM ejector tool which comes with the device, or you can use a straightened paper clip. Once you have one, pop out the tray at the bottom of the phone next to the charging port. There are two holes. The one closer to the charging port is a microphone, so don't poke that. Poke the hole that is part of the tray itself. Push the pin in and the tray should pop out slightly. Enough for you to take it out. Here you have space for a SIM card on either side. It doesn't matter which side you use. You can use both for two cards. I'm just going to place one here and insert it back into the device. Card should work immediately, as it does for me. I'll confirm my SIM card PIN. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.